you, Mr. Bond. I expect you to die.
I'm here with the Sunset Suns. This first question was sent in on Twitter. It's for Rory. Rory.
Yeah.
What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it.
What's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion?
It's a second-hand emotion.
It is a second-hand emotion. Tina Turner. Tina Turner. Next question is for Pete. Would you rather fight one kangaroo-sized koala or 100 koala-sized kangaroos?
100 koala-sized kangaroos.
Thank you. The next one's also for Pete. Pete, you don't sing in the band.
No, I don't sing.
You don't sing, but you did.
Just really, really badly.
But you worked in the mines.
Yes.
Do you have the black lung? Is that why you don't sing?
I am going to die a lot earlier than everyone else. Yes.
You heard it here first. Pete has the black lung. The next question is for Rob. Rob, thank you.
Away, Kenny.
Rob, you listened to a lot of music before becoming a professional musician.
Did I? Yes, I did.
I would assume, yes. And you were born in the 80s. What does it sound like when doves cry?
I'm sorry. I failed. Jed knows.
This is what it sounds like when the doves cry.
Okay, next question is for Jed.
Ask me the last one.
Jed,
Yes.
I see you have a nice new van outside.
It's not my van.
Do you like things that are big and black?
I love you, Kenny.
Thank you. The next one is for Rory. Rory, you're going to play in Austin, Texas.
Yeah.
I hear that only steers and queers come from Texas, and you don't look much like a steer to me.
I mean,
Nice jacket.
I would help myself here, have I? I wouldn't agree with that. I would not agree with that. But I'm going to be careful on this one and say next question.
Next question.
What is that from then?
Full Metal Jacket. Classic,
I haven't seen
classic
it.
Stanley
I haven't
Kubrick.
seen it.
All
Where the
right.
hell are you from anyway, Private?
Sir, Texas, sir!
Holy dog shit, Texas only steers and queers come from Texas, Private Cowboy. And you don't much look like a steer to me, so that kind of narrows it down.
Last question. It's for this gentleman here. Why did you get so mad at Sam while traveling through Mordor?
Because he was carrying the ring and he was getting all grumpy and shit, and I was like, no, I was carrying the ring, and I didn't feel like I should have the ring. So Sam wanted the ring, but I wanted to keep the fucking ring. It's my ring.
Go home.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. That was right. Thank you very much, Sunset Suns. #1 on iTunes at some point in the future or past. Thank you.
Thank you.